I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fuel a semi-truck. First, locate the large fuel tanks, typically found on both sides of your rig. These tanks often have capacities of 100 to 150 gallons each, so be prepared for a significant fill-up. It's crucial to identify the correct diesel type, usually diesel number 2, to ensure proper engine function and avoid costly damage. Always approach the pump with caution and ensure your truck is safely parked. Once you're safely parked, turn off your engine completely. Next, carefully open the fuel caps. Sometimes there's a slight pressure release, so be mindful. Insert the nozzle fully into the tank opening. Most semi-trucks have 2 tanks, so you'll repeat this process for both. Begin pumping diesel, ensuring the nozzle is securely in place to prevent spills. Fill each tank to about 95% capacity to allow for fuel expansion. For payment, most truck stops accept fleet cards, which are often preloaded or standard credit cards. Keep an eye on the fuel gauge and avoid overfilling, as this can lead to spills and waste. If you encounter a slow pump, try another one if available, or notify the attendant. In case of a small spill, use the absorbent materials usually provided at the pump. Always double-check that both fuel caps are securely tightened before driving away. Prioritize safety by always wearing gloves and eye protection to prevent skin contact or splashes. Regularly checking and replacing your fuel filters is vital for maintaining optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. A clean filter ensures your engine receives clean fuel, preventing costly repairs down the road. Remember to check the description for links to helpful products and other great deals. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your cab smelling fresh on those long hauls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.